Okay, so I just wanted to mention a few things real quick. The first one being that there's a bunch of things we didn't end up showing off in this dev video. The main thing is the long-awaited battle system. And the reason we haven't shown any of this off is because of our lack of art. To be blunt, our graphics artists aren't getting their shit done. These are things that define what Elysian Shadows is going to be like. Like the battle system. If I show you guys that with just generic sprites, generic tiles ripped from other games, generic music, it's not going to be the same. It's not going to be what Elysian Shadows is supposed to be. At this point, the editor, the engine, all that stuff is far enough done that we should be creating content right now, but we're not. Because we don't have enough art. So, we're looking for graphics artists. If you are skilled at making 2D tiles, sprites, anything of the sort, we want you. Think Chrono Trigger. That's the style we're going for. And if you're interested, either personal message me or join our forums. We've created an interview forum just for this. Because we desperately need art, and obviously this project has been going for quite a while. If you join our team, we have a complete editor, pretty much a complete engine, and we're ready to go. We're just looking for art at this point. Doesn't matter who you are, I don't care what you do, I don't care if you are the biggest loser ever, just as long as you get your shit done, that's all we ask. Artists have access to the private development forum, you get access to the engine, the websites, everything. You get the same access that Peter, Marcel, and I get. And you get to make art for a game that is totally going to be finished for the PC and Dreamcast, so you should look into that. Also, I wanted to say that we have just completed a major website update. We added new fancy photo albums and a new news system, so go check that out. And if you haven't visited our IRC channel at irc.freno.net at Elysian Shadows, you might want to go do that, and you can talk to us. Oh, and finally, in case you haven't noticed, we have an HD camera. I'd like to thank every one of you that have donated to that cause, because obviously it worked, and to everybody else who messaged me and said that nobody wanted to pay to contribute to the project and that we wouldn't get any donations, go fuck yourself, because we got 300 bucks. Okay, so you want me to punch Marcel? I don't know about that. But I do have a plan. Marcel, get in here! I think the camera's broken!
What?
Come here, look at this.
Are you serious? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Hi, I'm Kendall, Falco's girlfriend, and welcome to Linear Algebra Fail. Once upon a time, a girl named Kendall and a boy named Falco placed a wager on a linear algebra test, and based on what the outcome was, one of them was going to have to do something embarrassing.
Tell them what you were going to do.
If I lost, I was going to have to jump in a quarry without any clothes on in the middle of the night.
And swim around.
And if Falco lost,
I was going to have to run around the entire neighborhood ass naked and put it on YouTube.
So, the results are in, and here's how they turned out.
What is that?
96 versus, drum roll,
92.
Well, Falco, looks like you're going to have to take your clothes off and run around the neighborhood for the whole internet to see. But we can add out your dick out for you.
That shouldn't be too hard because it's so small.
It shouldn't be too hard because it's going to take up the whole screen. So, how do you feel?
I don't know. I feel like a runner about to run a marathon. Hopefully this won't come open until I'm in the middle of the road, and we'll see how it goes.
You're not wearing anything under that?
No.
Ooh, scandalous. Alright, let's see how this turns out.